Let's learn how to read 7/8 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. First, let's understand what the markings mean. Here's a close-up view of a ruler from 0 to 1 inch. The smallest marks divide the inch into 8 equal parts. These are eighths of an inch. The slightly longer marks show quarters of an inch. And the longest mark in the middle shows half an inch. Let's look at some common equivalent fractions that will help us read the ruler. 2/8 equals 1/4. 4/8 equals 1/2. And 6/8 equals 3/4. Now let's find 7/8 inch on our ruler. Starting from 0, let's count the eighth marks. 1/8, 2/8 or 1/4, 3/8, 4/8 or 1/2, 5/8, 6/8 or 3/4, and finally 7/8. 7/8 falls between 3/4 and 1 inch. To summarize, 7/8 is the seventh mark when counting the small eighth-inch marks on a ruler. It's located between 3/4 and 1 inch, or about 0.875 inches.